In our previous video, we taught you what lead generation is. In this video, you will learn about B2B lead generation. It stands for business to business. B2B lead generation is the process of identifying and attracting potential business customers, leads, who are interested in a company's products or services. It involves using various marketing and sales strategies to engage decision makers, nurture them through the sales funnel, and ultimately convert them into paying customers. Suppose Mukul Roy works in a graphics design company. His duty is to identify potential client companies and generate leads to promote design solutions. He conducts market research and analyzes industry trends. He found a few companies from his target market and contacted them. From them, one of the company's contact persons shows interest in his services. This company becomes a lead for Mukul. The process Mukul followed was called B2B lead generation. If you found this demo helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and practical tech tutorials.